Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to ET Excellence Awards 2023, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, brought to you by Optimal Media Solutions, a division of Times Internet Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, can I hear a big round of applause for everybody out here? Thank you so much for being with us this evening, ladies and gentlemen. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it gives us great pride and pleasure to invite on stage Her Excellency Dr. Srimati Tamil Isai Soundarajan, Honorable Governor of Telangana and Honorable Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry.
A special good evening to each and everyone here. And congratulations to all the winners. I am absolutely delighted to be a part of this third edition of Economic Times Excellence Awards for Telangana and Andhra Pradesh 2023, organized by Optimal Media Solutions Times of India Group. And I have to attend this program because the Economic Times is selecting the exemplary businessmen, women from the field, and they are rewarding them, rewarding their hard work. So it is my duty to come and support them because the pattern which they select the awardees is something exemplary, because yes, last time I knew how it is difficult for them to select the awardees.
Ladies and gentlemen, moving on to the next category of award, Excellence in Tech Integrated HR Solutions. And this award goes to SarvHR Solutions Private Limited. Put your hands together for Kalyan Duva and co-founder Surya.